In this video, I'll be showing you how to do the duplicate stitch for my polka dots and stripes duo hat pattern. The duplicate stitch is basically a way of embroidering a design onto your knitting by mimicking the knit stitches with a new color. So to start, get about 75 inches of the yarn that you want to make your polka dots with and attach it to your tapestry needle. For this pattern, you can start your first polka dot wherever you want. So I'm going to put mine right in the middle of my hat. Now with our tapestry needle at the back side of your work, you want to insert through the bottom of one of your knit stitches. Knit stitches kind of just look like a bunch of V's, so you want to insert at the bottom of a V. Now pull your tapestry needle through and make sure to leave enough of a yarn tail in the back just to weave in later. So now we're at the bottom of this V. You want to skip this V and go through the legs of the stitch above it, just like this, and pull your yarn through. Just try to pay attention to your tension while doing this. We want to try and match the size of the stitches the best we can. Now you just put your tapestry needle through the first hole that we originally came through. And then again, just making sure that the tension is right. And now you've done your first duplicate stitch. I'm going to do this again now on the next stitch. So from the back side of your work, put your tapestry needle through the bottom of the V. And then you're just going to go through the legs of the stitch above it again and pull through. And now just go back through the bottom of that V again. So you're just going to keep repeating these steps, making sure to follow your knitting chart until you've reached the end of the polka dot. Once you've got the hang of it, you can kind of skip a step, and I'll show you how here. Instead of going straight through the bottom of the V to finish this duplicate stitch, I'm going through the bottom of the V, but then also through the bottom of the next V from behind. This kind of ends the last duplicate stitch and starts the next one, but all in one step. And here is my first completed polka dot. The only thing left to do is weave in the ends. The entire duplicate stitch process, it definitely does take some time, but it is a great way to do color work as a beginner or just for anybody who isn't confident with doing color work. Hopefully this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.